Hi students, today let me have the topic about human respiratory system. Firstly, let's discuss the pathway taken by air, that is oxygen, in the respiratory system. The pathway is right from nose to nostrils to nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, alveolus and blood capillaries to blood. Now let us see to the parts of the respiratory system. Nose, nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchioles, lung, alveolus, blood capillaries. So now let's see once again. Nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, epiglottis, bronchus, bronchioles, lung, alveolus, blood capillaries. And we can see here the air enters the body through the nostrils. In the nasal cavity, air is filtered by the tiny airs present in the nostrils and its temperature is also brought close to the body temperature. There is a junction between respiratory and digestive system. This junction is called as pharynx. Hence, we can say that pharynx is a junction of respiratory and digestive system. Epiglottis. It is a flap-like muscular wall which contracts the movement of air and food towards their respective passages. We can see here there is a flap-like structure. So this one is called as epiglottis. It's a flap-like muscular wall which controls the movement of air and food towards the respective passages. That means epiglottis is a flap-like structure and a muscular wall. It helps to send air and food to their respective passages. Larynx is also called as sound box. It contains vocal cords. When air passes out of the lungs over the vocal cords, it causes to vibrate. Hence, sound is produced and makes up to talk, speak and sing. This part is called as trachea. Trachea is also called as windpipe. It sends air to the lungs. Trachea at its ends is divided into two branches as called as bronchi, one leading to each lung. The bronchi is further divided into still smaller and smaller branches called bronchioles. We can see here a clusters. Bronchioles finally terminates into clusters, bunch-like sacs called air sacs, called as alveolus. Alveoli is the length of very small and numerous. Exchange of gases takes place in the blood capillaries. The blood capillaries takes in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. Hence, gaseous exchange takes place in the blood capillaries. Blood carries oxygen to each and every cell of the body and collects carbon dioxide from them. The whole passage of air from nostrils to alveoli is moist and warm.